family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is selinazinchuk. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you two simple ways to triple your hair growth rate in as little as 4 weeks. Stop hair fall and get thicker hair. My hair is 4B 4C and it is high porosity. Everyone's hair grows at a different rate depending on so many different factors. Example, your genetic, your length retention technique, consistency of how you take care of your hair, and what natural ingredients you are using. Also, your medical history, but there are also some miracle and simple ingredients that you can use to or that you can just pick up from in your grocery store or just from around your home. And this is what my channel is about, using DIY treatments to grow my family and myself hair out since I was diagnosed with traction alopecia and alopecia areata in 2016. If you would love to see the two simple ingredients I will be using, then please keep on watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and you can also follow me on Instagram at selinazinchuk. Yeah, where are my carrots going? I am going to cut my carrots in smaller pieces just so that it can blend easily. And then I will be going in with my aloe vera juice. If you are familiar with my channel, you know that I use a lot of fresh aloe vera on my daughters and myself here. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes, which repair dead skin cells on your scalp. It also increases your hair growth rate and moisturizes your hair. So I will be going in with 1 cup of my aloe vera juice. Many of you guys always ask me where I get this from. I normally pick it up from Walmart at the pharmacy. I'm now just going to blend it for 3 to 4 minutes. And then after, I will just use my stocking for me to screen it, making sure that I'm only getting the juice out. I love to transfer my solution into a spray bottle for easy application. And then after, I'm just going to add in my various essential oil. I'm first going in with my peppermint essential oil. I'm adding in 10 drops. And then my rosemary essential oil. I'm also adding in 10 drops of that. And the last oil is my tea tree essential oil. I'll also be going in with 10 drops of that. After, just give it a good shake. And then we can put this aside and now concentrate on the oil that we will be using. For this treatment, we will be using my Secrets Growth Oil. This oil already composed of everything that our hair needs for health, growth, and length retention. It takes me 3 weeks for the infusion of this oil. But if you don't have access to my Secrets Growth Oil, you can use exactly what you have on hand. We will be using both the oil and this treatment as a hot oil treatment. Water here because we are going to be doing a hot oil treatment. And then I'm just going to put this in there. Make sure you do not allow it to get too hot because we don't want to burn ourselves. And I'm also putting my oil in the hot water. And I'm just going to leave that for a few minutes. I'll also be testing it to make sure it's at a temperature that is good for me to use on my hair and my scalp. While that is getting hot, I'm just going to now part my hair into 4 or 5 sections. You guys know when you're working with type 4 hair, you always need to part it in sections. So Thanksgiving is over, my birthday is over. I had my hair open and it's time for me to take care of it. Tank it up. Yeah, so I'm just going to part this in smaller sections and then I will be back. Carrots are packed with various vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, such as vitamin B6, K, potassium, phosphorus. Carrots can also help your hair to grow faster and thicker. Conditioning the hair with carrot solution is also said to improve hair texture, making it shinier, smoother, and softer. Carrot also help to prevent hair fall and hair loss by making the roots stronger at the scalp. Carrot is rich in vitamin C and A, which will make your hair stronger, longer, and thicker. Carrot help in improving blood circulation, which will give your hair the health it needs to prevent the growth of gray hair. They contain a lot of antioxidants along with vitamin C. It also protects the hair and scalp from pollution and harmful UV rays of the sunlight. And another thing you need to know about this treatment, you will have some stain because of the carrots. But the moment you throw this into your washer or the moment you wash this come out easily. So it's nothing for you to worry about. And just make sure you are also wearing something dark when applying this treatment. My scalp feels so refreshing right now, and you will also get the tingling sensation because of the peppermint essential oil. To not be alarmed, that's very great also for your scalp health. And another thing I need to warn you guys about, anytime you are using essential oils, please make sure that you dilute it before applying it to your head and your scalp. If you are familiar with my channel, you will see that I normally dilute my essential oils before I use it by just adding few drops into your DIY treatment. Now that we got our treatment on, my scalp is it is just tingling right now and I love it. It feels so amazing. So I'm now gonna go in and cover my hair with my plastic bag. You can sit under your steamer. Again, that would be great for someone who is low porosity. I am high porosity, but I also just love to sit under heat. I don't know, my hair feels good and I love it. So that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cover my hair up, leave the treatment on for a couple of hours, and then I will also sit under my steamer for like 20 minutes and then just do stuff around the house. I am using this as a pre-poo hot oil treatment. So after this, I will go in with my black soap shampoo, which I also have the video on my channel. I will leave it down in the description box for you. After my black soap shampoo, I will then go in with my deep condition treatment. I plan to trim my ends for the first time while my hair is curly. So I will also be filming that video for you guys when I have my deep condition treatment in. And then after, I will just rinse it out and put my hair in braids and just let my hair rest for a bit. So if you love this video, please do not forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.